Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Firebase Authentication for email and Google Login, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Firebase Authentication for email and Google Login, start by navigating to the Firebase console. Create a new project or open an existing one. Once inside your project, locate the authentication option in the left sidebar. Click on Get Started if it's your first time using the service. You will see the Sign In Method tab. Click on it to access the available sign-in providers. To enable email authentication, locate the email/password option. Turn on the toggle switch next to email/password. Click on Save to apply the changes. Now, to enable Google Login, find the Google option in the list of sign-in providers. Again, switch the toggle to enable Google Sign-In. You will need to provide a project support email if prompted. Click on Save to register the Google Sign-In method. Next, go to the project settings by clicking the gear icon in the top left corner. Under the General tab, scroll down to the Your Apps section. Select Web or Add App if you haven't set it up yet. Follow the prompts to register your app. Once registered, copy the Firebase configuration details provided. Now, open your project in your code editor. Install Firebase in your project if you haven't already. Use the command npm install Firebase in your terminal. Create a new file for Firebase configuration if needed. Paste the Firebase configuration details into this file. Import Firebase and initialize your app using the configuration. Next, set up email authentication in your app's logic. Utilize Firebase's auth methods to implement email signup and login functionalities. For Google Login, use the Google Auth provider from Firebase. Handle login callbacks to manage user sessions effectively. Test both email and Google sign-in methods in your app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.